Hello guys, 안녕하세요 여러분. Happy New Year, Happy Chinese New Year, Happy 5K for COVID today. Oh, I miss you guys so much. Welcome to my new vlog. So this vlog has really not having like a specific kind of theme, but just one up and again because I was just like revising for my finals. Yes, actually for now I'm having my finals, which is approaching Chinese New Year. So next week I'm going to have like revision week, but I have my final paper like 2 days after this. So I think by this time when this vlog up, you have been watching a typical life on an online class students. So I hope you guys have fun with that video because I have fun shooting it. Like a brief intro because I just want to open up and talk and just update what I'm doing in these few days and stay safe for now if you guys have fun, because normally people will just go. I feel like my audience will just go like during the first 2 minutes. So if you are leaving now, just stay safe whenever you are, because like the COVID is not really in a very good situation throughout the nationwide. So I hope you guys keep safe and always wear a mask and everything. Yeah, so honey, when I get up close to you, I'm in the mood for dancing, romancing. Dance, oh let's dance, oh let's dance. Oh my gosh, really like this song by Chinese SF9. 보랏빛으로 묻은 하늘, 스스한 바람에 소시러 오는 밤, 눈 감으면 네가 선명해서 빛나던 네가 더 그리워져.
Day 2.
So today is Chinese New Year cleaning day. Woo! I'm gonna go. And today we're just going to clean all of these on the floor. Yes, we did it every year. So this is like Chinese New Year stuff that we must do. We're using this water spray.那这些都是我妈妈的 plantation. Oh died. Oh died. We got a bonsai at home. Isn't this bonsai? We're finally done the first part of spring cleaning. So this is just like for outside, and yes, we just like use spray gun to spray all the walls. So it's not really that clean, but we have to like pan it somehow in one day. So it's like every single year, it's like a routine. Yeah. Yes, one down, and I actually did. Oh, I want to show my lanterns. These are the lanterns that I do. Power. Tăng Long. She got Tăng Long à. Wow. lah putih pus kayo. Nih. So today I'm going to clean up my closet, and because like for Chinese New Year, you always have to clean your closet. It's like something that you have to do. Yeah, so let me show you the clothes. It was before I cleaned the closet, so yeah, actually I don't really have a lot of clothes. Do you consider this a lot? I'm not sure. Yeah, so I'm just going to refold them, rearrange them into a nice way. I've done arranging all my hanging clothes and my shirts, so I've like categorized them into like these simple like plan patterns, and from dark to light colors. And here then it's actually all my jacket shirts. So personally I really like jacket shirts, so yes, and these three are like special, which is like short sleeve one, and all these are long sleeve. Oh my god. Oh my god. My mom always be like, why you have so many clothes that you want to recycle everything? But I don't really have that much clothes.
Eventually.
Oh yay! So hello guys. So today my task for the day for Chinese New Year is to pan a wall. So yes, today I'm going to start panning just this wall with a new pan. So I bought a new pan here. So this is the pan that we got from like one of the like hardware store. And the color that we chose is like red color. Actually I plan to have like gray color, but my mom and my sister said this red will be good, so I'm not really sure if on this wall is gonna be great, because our house, like our living rooms, are if like chocolate color and white, so I'm not sure if red will actually suit the whole living room thing. I'm kind of nervous because it was like my first time panning a wall, so I'm not sure how is it going to work. Okay, so these are the things that I've prepared. I have a roller for the big wall, and this is for the end point painting, because like on the edges we're going to use this to paint, and just like this pen to put in the like this paint. It's like production. Oh my god. You're so red. Ta-da! So I'll start with the edges. I'm using this small pander, right? Whatever. After an hour, because actually I just went out, but after an hour I have finished painting all the edges, and it's time that I'm gonna use the roller to fill up all these spaces. Yes. just pan the first layer on it, and well, it's not bad, you see. It's quite, I mean, like Instagram worthy. Yeah, so it's not really even, and I'm not sure if it's the right way, but I'll just put it in the first layer, and I'm going to pan the second layer, so hopefully it will become like more balanced. Yeah, previously actually we just used 1 liter we thought it would be enough for this wall, but actually it's not enough. So I just went out to buy another like bucket of paint. So if have houses with like this kind of wall, but actually I'm not sure about the measurement, but I'll put it on this video. And if this size of wall, maybe you have to need at least like 1.5 liters of paint to make it like fully covered. So I can't wait like how it's going to be looks like. So I'm going to update you later again for the second layer.
开开心心最重要，新年一定要热闹，欢欢喜喜最重要，所有坏事跑跑，整个惊喜最重要，最爱的人不能少，你啊你啊你就是你，愿你安好。
几个小家伙想要吃顿跳楼，
最爱的男人开着1楼楼，骑红色摩托，发型必须洒脱，10公分爆炸头，手提没理由。 你的微笑太美。
Later.
Hello guys. Okay, so after a few days since I record what I played for my New Year, so now I'm going to, because in the process I'm kind of like didn't record it down, so now I'm going to just have like a very random room tour. Like actually today is like around like 4 days countdown to Chinese New Year, but actually our house is all ready for Chinese New Year. So now first thing is, of course we can't lack of lanterns. Lantern this year, lantern is full of Chinese New Year vibes, you know, and we have this like, I don't know what it's called, chunlian or something. And this is the new sticker for our house, because this year is an ox year, so there's an ox cartoon, so I bought it. And these, they're like so cute. But next year we're going to change it, so it's okay. The ox stickers over here, and coming in is this beautiful flowers. Of course, these are like fake flowers that I bought in Kaisen, and these are the cotton flowers. I'm not sure like what is it called in English, but and this has been like sold for many years already, and we just keep reusing and recycling, and we just keep refurnishing it and become like such a beautiful like a piece of bouquet of flowers. And this is how it turns out, the wall that I have painted. And after I arranged with my television and did some decoration on the table, it actually looks quite good, as you can see from here. And because our house lighting is more yellow, so it kind of like somehow match to the color of everything. So, and these are all the sofas. We just clean the sofas that day, like we remove the cushions and we wash them. So you can see it's so white color. I mean, like it's so clean without no spots. How I hope my face is as clean as that, but no, it's not gonna be. And this, we have these carpet, yeah, and there's like the table should be here, but you know, we just haven't moved the table here. And well, but actually I have like lie on this sofa, and you can see that this sofa is so big, so comfy. Yeah, but I gotta keep it clean because it's for New Year. And let me show you another corner, because this corner is always for our Chinese New Year. So ta-da! This is another very easy New Year corner that we made. Just like another bouquet of fake flowers. And there's some lighting over here. Let me open the lighting. But you can't really see the lighting actually, but it's like red color lighting. And I just put my tripod over here so we can take, yeah, we can take a picture like that. Yeah. And there's like these big lanterns that I bought. Actually, I still have a lot of lanterns, but for decoration, but I have not like arranged it. So I bought these small lanterns as well, but I haven't figured out where should I put them. Yes, and I moved my fishes. It was on my study desk, but I moved it to the living room to have more like some elements on my TV cabinet. And these are from my sisters, and this was from mine. And I think they're quite happy being here because I saw them like keep swimming from time to time. Because fishes are very lucky item during Chinese New Year because it's Lunar New Year. It means every year you have something left. Because every year you have something left, then you won't be like hunger, or you won't lack of money, or you won't lack of food, because there's always leftover. I think I'll just end this video here. And the lighting is so bad. So I hope you enjoy this video if you watch until this end. And so sorry for my face and ugly me and just me being me myself in the very random day before Chinese New Year. So I'll see you in the next Chinese New Year in the next video. And see you guys next time. 안녕히 여러분. Yes. Bye. 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 Bye.